Before the sunrise, engine turns, miles of road, the lesson learned. Hands on the wheel, heart in prayer. I carry more than freight back there, stealing weight behind my back. Lines on maps, no turning back. Every mile I count the cost. For those at home, it's the love I hold the most. I drive these roads with Yeshua near. He guards my way, He calms my fear. No silver, gold, or world's demand outweighs my call as a faithful man. I'd rather serve God, protect my name, provide with honor, walk in truth. I drive for family, faith and grace, under the watchful hand of Yeshua my King. Of Yeshua my King. Lonely nights at service bays, cold care meals and tired days. But heaven sees what others don't. A father's heart, a promise swore. This job's not easy, roads are long. Temptation whispers, but I stand strong. I choose what's right when no one sees, because my children look to me. I drive these roads with Yeshua near. He guards my way, He calms my fear. No silver, gold, or world's demand outweighs my call as a faithful man. I'd rather serve God, protect my name, provide with honor, walk in truth. I drive for family, faith and grace, under the watchful hand of Yeshua my King. I'm not chasing crowns or empty fame, just daily bread, an honest name. Teach my house your holy ways, to fear the Lord all of our days. I drive these roads with Yeshua near. Every mile is placed in His care. When I return through the door at night, I fought the good fight, lived what's right. No greater wealth than faith and love, no higher call than God above. I drive for family, faith and truth, till my journey ends in You. So keep me steady, keep me clean, till the last mile fades unseen. My life, my work, my will, my way belong to You, oh Lord, always. Oh